Hey, what's going on, sir? My name is Joe. I just want to point out a few things to you, hopefully help you boost your online presence, get you higher ranking on Google, and in return, start bringing in those leads you're missing out on, right? So you can continue to grow this awesome business. All right, so that's why I'm shooting this video for you as promised. So, first thing I want to talk about is going to be content, right? Content is super important to Google, that you have a lot of words on your homepage and your back pages. All right, so they're looking for about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage alone. Now, obviously, that's a lot of words, and very few 2,000 words, right? But Google is, and they're going to know that you are the subject matter expert compared to somebody that only has, 800 words on their homepage, right? So when we scroll, Google is reading all your words, they're counting, making sure it's good quality content. They're coming up with about 800 on your homepage, right? So definitely want to boost that word count up to that 1,500 to 2,000 word goal. Okay. Another thing Google loves, or another thing that's really going to help you, is adding in keywords, right? And keywords are what people are searching for on Google in this area, right? So you definitely want to rank for as many keywords as you can, making it super easy for your potential customers to find your website. Okay. And then another thing Google loves is big built-out websites, right? So that means the more pages you have on your website, the better. Okay. So you're doing good, right? You did a good start. All of your services are on their own pages. If we could break this down even more so we can make it even bigger, that would be awesome, right? Because your competition has a lot of pages on their website, okay? And then on your service pages, Google is still looking for content, and they're looking for about 500 to 700 words, okay? And you're only doing, I think it was 300 words on your back pages. Okay, so we definitely want to boost that word count up to that 500 to 700 word goal. All right. If we come over here and look at your competitor's website, I'll show you what we're talking about. So right off the bat, we can see that they have a big built-out website, right? Bunch of pages. That's exactly what Google is looking for, right? So to outrank them on this part of their website, come in here, count how many pages they have, and then add that many to your website. Okay. So you can see all of the services are on their own pages, right? That's what you're gonna want to do on your website. And then on their back pages, they're doing about 700 words. So to outrank them in this area of their website, you're gonna have to do 800 words plus. Okay, we're trying to outrank them in every area that we can, so Google favors your website over theirs, right? And then on their homepage, they're doing about 1,200 words. So once again, to outrank them in this area, you're going to want to do that 1,500 to 2,000 word goal, right? So pretty easy, right? Pretty straightforward. Just add pages, and then on those pages, add good quality content, right? Moving on to the map pack, right? Everybody knows what the map pack is, but not everybody knows how to get here, right? That's the tricky part. There's only 3 spots, right? So how you get to the top 3 is high quality or good stars, good amount of stars, right? Pictures, good business description, but most importantly, citations, right? And citations are your business name, address, and phone number on different websites like Facebook, Yelp, Rightpages, BBB.org, right? Just to name a few. There are several citation websites out there. Okay, there's a tool that we use called Whitespark, right? Go ahead and use this tool as well if you would like. But basically, just type in the business name into this tool. It'll show you how many citations they have. So it's like 50. Go out there and get, 60 citations to beat them, right? So definitely recommend doing that, going out there and getting those citations, and building your Google My Business so it's ready to rank in these top 3. Once you scroll past the map pack, right, we get to the organic ranking, right? That's where these keywords come in. So here's a keyword up here at the top. Once you start ranking for that keyword along with many others, your website's going to be right up here at the top of the organic ranking, right? Making it super easy for whoever's searching for your services to find your website, right? That's awesome. That's where we want to see you at. Last thing we're going to talk about is going to be backlinks. So backlinks are super important. This will help pass power to your website. And at the end of the day, this is what's going to help you rank to the top of Google. You can have an awesome looking website, but if you don't have power from backlinks, your awesome website's going to stay at the bottom and nobody's ever going to see it, right? So that's where backlinks come in. That's why they're super important. As you can see, this is your competition's information. So you can see he has 219 websites pointing back to him through a clickable link, right? And that's what a backlink is. So to outrank him in this area, you're going to want to go out there and get, 300 good quality websites to point back to you, right? You can also see how many keywords he has, a little over 1,000 keywords, which is really good. Okay, we definitely want to rank for as many as we can, and he's doing just that, right? So since he's doing everything right, he's bringing in 430 leads per month to his website, right? Just by being at the top of Google. Okay, that's awesome. That shows you the potential your website has as well, right? If your information, we can see the big difference, right? Only 7 websites pointing back to you, right? Only 2 keywords. So if we boost these numbers up, fix the things on your website that I recommended, we can change this number 0 to 430 leads per month, right? Even if you could just get half of those, right? I'm sure you would still be happy, right? So definitely recommend doing all those things. I just wanted to point out to you those 3 things real quick: content, and backlinks. Hope you liked the video. Hope you found it informative. Go ahead and reach back out to me if you have any questions. You can call or text me, 515-468-3039. I look forward to hearing from you, so I'll call you tomorrow. Make sure you got the video. Hopefully get some feedback then. But other than that, thanks for watching, and have a great day.